Understanding the phrase, I get the idea, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase, I get the idea. Understanding these simple yet impactful phrases can really enhance your conversational skills in English. So, let's dive in. I get the idea is a phrase used to indicate that someone understands the general concept or the main point of what is being discussed. It's often used when someone is explaining something and you want to show understanding without needing every detail. For example, if someone is explaining how to cook a dish and you understand the basic steps, you might say, I get the idea, signaling that they don't need to go into more depth. 1. In conversations, when someone is explaining something to you and you understand the gist of it, saying, I get the idea, can save time and keep the conversation flowing. 2. In meetings or classes, in a learning environment or a meeting, using this phrase can show that you understand the main points and are ready to move on. 3. Culturally, it's important to note that this phrase is casual and friendly. It's more commonly used in informal settings. I see what you mean. This is another way of showing understanding. I catch your drift. This is a more informal and slangy way of saying you understand the general idea. Got it. A simple and very common way to show you've understood something. Let's practice using I get the idea in different scenarios. Imagine someone is explaining how to use a new app, and you quickly understand how it works. You can say, thanks, I get the idea, to show your understanding. Practice creating your own sentences using I get the idea in different contexts to get comfortable with its usage. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, I get the idea. Remember, it's a great phrase to use when you want to show you understand the main point of what's being said. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using it like a native speaker. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time.